Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Sublime text editor on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same for all Windows operating systems. Open any browser, then go to sublimetext.com. Click on download for Windows. See, once we click on, download has been started. See, its size is 15.7 megabytes. Download is completed. Just click on Sublime Text Setup.exe file. Choose the installation directory. By default, it has selected C program files, Sublime Text. It will create this directory. Click on Next. If you want to change, you have to click on Browse. Otherwise, click on Next. Add this to context menu. Then click on Next. See, ready to install. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Now verify. Start. Then all programs. Go to S. See here, we have the Sublime Text. Click on it. Now we can create new file or save the existing one. Save as. Click on Save. See here, we have different extensions. SQL, Python, R, Perl, PHP and XML, Java file, JSON, HTML, etc. Okay, we have the C and C++, C#, like that we have. Okay, suppose if I want to create test.python, that is extension is py. Click on Save. Now if I give print welcome to Arto Schools, here we have the color. But if you create new file, now if you try same print, see, we are not getting any coloring. Until you save this one, it will give the colors based on the code, that is whether it is Python, HTML or like that. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Sublime Text Editor on Windows 11 operating system. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.